What if I told you that by 2026, entire marketing departments are being replaced by just 5 AI tools? Companies are cutting their marketing teams by 80% while actually increasing their results. Today, I'm revealing the exact AI tools making this revolution possible. First up is Strategy Mind AI, the tool that's replacing entire strategy teams. This isn't just another chatbot. It analyzes market trends, competitor strategies, and customer behavior in real time to create comprehensive marketing strategies. Fortune 500 companies are reporting that Strategy Mind delivers strategic insights in hours that used to take their teams weeks. It's literally thinking like a CMO, but faster and with zero human bias. Next is Creative Genius Pro, and this one's absolutely mind-blowing. It's generating entire advertising campaigns across all platforms. Video ads, social media content, email sequences, website copy, everything. But here's the crazy part. It's not just creating content, it's personalizing it for individual customers at scale. One clothing brand replaced their entire creative team with this tool and saw a 340% increase in conversion rates. Third is Launchpad Automation, the AI that's making campaign managers obsolete. This tool doesn't just run your campaigns, it optimizes budgets, adjusts targeting, creates new ad variations, and scales successful campaigns automatically. It's like having a team of 20 campaign managers working 24/7, but with perfect memory and instantaneous decision-making. Companies using this are seeing 400% better ROI than traditional campaign management. Fourth is Customer Sync AI, which is revolutionizing how businesses understand and engage their customers. It tracks every customer interaction, predicts buying behavior, and automatically creates personalized customer journeys. What used to require entire analytics and customer experience teams is now handled by one AI system that never sleeps and never misses a pattern. Finally, there's Metrics Master AI, the tool that's replacing entire analytics departments. It doesn't just track metrics, it predicts future performance, identifies optimization opportunities, and automatically adjusts strategies based on real-time data. It's like having a crystal ball for your marketing performance, combined with the analytical power of an entire team of data scientists. Here's what's really happening. These aren't just tools anymore. They're complete marketing ecosystems. The companies adopting this AI-first approach aren't just saving money, they're completely dominating their markets. While their competitors are still coordinating between human teams, these businesses are moving at AI speed. The marketing revolution is happening right now, and you can either lead it or get left behind. If you want to stay ahead of the AI curve and discover more tools that are transforming entire industries, subscribe to AutoPilot AI and hit that notification bell. The future of business is autonomous, and it's arriving faster than anyone expected.